In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is the difference between PowerPoint and Microsoft PowerPoint. When people use the term PowerPoint, they might be talking about two different versions. One is PowerPoint Online, which runs in your web browser, and the other is Microsoft PowerPoint, the desktop app you install on your computer. Understanding the differences will help you choose the right tool for the task. PowerPoint Online is the web version. It opens in a browser and relies on an internet connection to work smoothly. It's designed for quick access from almost any device without installing software. Because it's lightweight, it gives you the essential tools you need to open, edit, and share a presentation, especially when you're collaborating with others in real time. Think of it as the convenient, always available option that's perfect for small changes, reviewing slides, or making quick updates on the go. Microsoft PowerPoint, the desktop app, is the full-featured software installed on your computer. It works offline, so you can keep building your deck even when you don't have internet. This version includes the advanced features many professionals rely on, such as complete animation controls, richer transition options, add-ins, and detailed design tools. If you need to fine-tune timing, build complex layouts, or use specialized add-ins, the desktop app is the right choice. Storage is handled differently too. PowerPoint Online saves your files to OneDrive by default, which makes sharing and collaboration straightforward. The desktop app can save locally on your computer to an external drive or to OneDrive. If you like having a local copy for backup or you often work without internet, the desktop approach gives you that flexibility while still letting you sync to the cloud when you're back online. Performance is another key difference. PowerPoint Online is lighter and can feel slower with large or media-heavy files. If your slides include lots of high-resolution images, embedded videos, or complex animations, the desktop app handles those more efficiently and generally runs faster. For big presentations with many moving parts, the desktop experience is more dependable. So, here's the bottom line. Use PowerPoint Online for quick edits, easy sharing, and real-time collaboration from anywhere. Use Microsoft PowerPoint on the desktop for professional, full-featured work where performance, advanced design, and robust animation tools matter most. Knowing when to use each version will help you work faster, avoid frustration, and deliver better presentations.